This is why you need to start coding today. Learning to code can seem scary, but it's just like learning a new language. Imagine telling your computer what to do. Cool, right? Start with the basics. HTML for web pages, Python for simple programs, or Scratch for fun, drag and drop coding. Choose one and stick with it until you get the hang of it. Next, practice, practice, practice. Websites like Code Academy and Khan Academy offer free tutorials. Set small goals like building a basic website or a simple game. Celebrate your progress, don't be afraid to ask for help. Join online forums or local coding clubs. Everyone was a beginner once, and the coding community is super friendly and helpful. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process. Every error is a step towards mastering coding. So, keep experimenting and having fun. Ready to dive in? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's start coding together. Happy coding, everyone!